Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to tell you how to turn on or off background sounds on iPhone. If you have an iPhone and you want to do some background settings on your iPhone, so you just have to follow some steps. There are two ways to do this. First, you have to scroll down your control panel, and here you can see the plus icon in the left top corner of the screen. Just tap on it, and here you have to select add a control, tap on it, and here go to search and search for background, and here you can see there is background sounds option. Tap on it, and now you can successfully add it to your control panel. Tap on any empty place, and here keep a long press on it, and now you can select background noise. As I am going to choose rain, tap on it, and you can control volume of this. If you want to get it here, so you just have to open your phone settings. In settings, open accessibility, tap on it, and accessibility is you have to find a setting which is audio and control. And here you have to scroll down and look for audio and visual. Here's that, tap on it. And this you will easily get the background sound option. Tap on it. You have to enable it, and now you can easily choose background sound, and here you can control the volume. So that's how you can fix background sound on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.